guys, it's Saturday, and I'm about to show you some stuff like that I was planning like for a while to send to my friends in Ukraine, like, and yeah, there's a gift box that will contain many different things like caps, book, like canvas that I've painted with my hands and all that, like you see here. Yeah, some comics, socks, many different comics to Justy, Sean, my brother. Yeah, some canvases that I've hand painted. Yeah, like a gift box. Yeah, it's crazy. I don't remember what was the last day when it was sunny. It's amazing. I don't know. It was like dark and gray, and for the last 2 weeks, I guess. Event organizer made an event on the Intrepid. It's a huge ship which carries all these hypersonic jets and all the stuff, but it was a rainy day. It was like 6 months ago or something. Here's that coffee shop. It's probably the best almond croissant in town. So we are coming closer to the Central Park. It's pretty close to my apartment. It's 5 blocks away. I was going out for a run and there was literally like nobody. Just me running, like it was 30 degrees Fahrenheit, probably like 5 degrees below zero. So here's the beginning of the event, and we are just running in a slow pace, warming up. So we just finished 3 laps with some squats and jumps, and yeah, it was pretty like tough in a way. I haven't expected that, but yeah, happy to be a part of it.
Love it. Good job to you two. Good job to me. You know, obviously with current events, they have a sign that says down there, make borscht, not war.
So yeah, I'm heading back home and I will show you how I live, what I see around my neighborhood, and then I will go to Met Museum. I was excited to see these stones which people were able to bring to this Central Park, which is a man-made park. So here is my room. It's the first time I'm showing it on my YouTube channel. There are some sneakers, different ones. Here are the latest ones. I've ordered Palladium for just $36, which is amazing. Now, what we have here is some movable table, my workspace, yeah, some stuff, some cameras, some books, some guitar, some outfit. Yeah, so we are going out and heading to the Metropolitan Museum of Art. The building in front of my building where I live was recently restored, and it looks so beautiful. Like, I will show you right now. Central Park. Just received a call from my grandmother. She received some gifts from me, which I'm really happy with. And yeah, I'm walking through the Central Park and I'm pretty close to the Metropolitan Museum of Art. So yeah, so here I am in the Metropolitan Museum of Art, and I'm going to Lunar New Year festival event. The guy was really nice. He helped me to buy this ticket. Metropolitan Museum of Art location, and yeah, it was, I don't know, I have no words. It was incredible to see all these artworks, especially abstract expressionists that I've been reading about like for the last several weeks. Jackson Pollock, Dick Ross, like Andy Warhol, Salvador Dali. Yeah, for 2 hours of this exploration of these artworks that I've seen, it seemed like it's enough, like for my brain and for my like mental perception. So yeah, I'll enjoy the rest of the day, and thanks for watching, guys. I will show you a few more videos, the footage that I've made over my neighborhood with my drone, and yeah, thanks for watching.